Realty Mogul Real Estate Investment Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get real estate investing wrong. They think it requires huge capital or personal property management. Realty Mogul is different. The surprising truth is how accessible that makes real estate investment online, and you won't believe the variety of options it offers for passive investors. Here's how it works. Realty Mogul allows users to invest in commercial and residential real estate projects through crowdfunding. You can choose rate or individual properties, invest with smaller amounts, and track performance through an online dashboard. For example, an investor can put $5,000 into a diversified real estate fund, earning income from rental properties without ever managing tenants. Most people get this wrong. They assume you need to buy a whole property, but Realty Mogul lowers the barrier to entry significantly. Additional features include detailed property reports, investment analysis tools, and tax documentation for investors. However, there are considerations. Investments are subject to market risks, and liquidity is limited. You may not be able to withdraw funds immediately. Most people assume instant access. It's not like a savings account. In conclusion, Realty Mogul is ideal for individuals seeking passive income through real estate without the hassles of ownership. Its platform simplifies investing, offers diversification, and provides transparency for investors. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of investment platforms and fintech tools.